So now it is over to ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, and welcome to our platform Calling IS. And you can actually, we are very much happy that we are getting some advice and suggestion from you regarding this topic. Yes, ma'am, you can.
Thank you, Vipul. Uh, all of you have a wonderful evening, and I'm here today to just share my ideas about what home science is, and if you will be a aspirant, then how will you clear your exam? It is very simple and easy. Only give me only 10 to 15 minutes. I will cover that. Is it visible?
Ma'am, actually, it came, but okay, just a minute, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
Deepak sir, it's visible.
yes,
Yes.
ma'am, it's visible actually.
So all of you, I just wish my all the best wishes to you, and you have what can I say? You are already interested. I just only put few words to you to take this subject as your optional or main subject in your PSHR. So before starting this home science is I want to say the concept of home science is based on the ardent desire to improve the well-being of the community through every home. This can be achieved through the systematic arrangement of the resources, and it can take a prominent role in developing good individuality and a good sense of personality in a person. To modern scientific knowledge and individual personalities can be utilized to the maximum. So the modern concept of the home science is to bring up the homes where peace, prosperity, and progress prevail. One factor which has influenced the concept of home science is the awakening of the women's issues. It is not really like that, but the philosophy of home science is to provide equal opportunities for both the sexes to achieve best familial and professional lives. So the imbalance between the roles of man and woman can be avoided. So along with the material, economic achievement, physical, spiritual and moral aspects of the family living have to be promoted. So this is one of the underlying principles of home science education. The home implants the moral values of honesty, truthfulness, dependability and objectivity of a person. So now let us discuss about how the evolution or the origin of the discipline of home science. It is just has a short journey. You can say it is has its history is very short. During the British rule between 1920 to 1940, we then rulers introduced home science in some schools and colleges. In the beginning, home science was referred to as the domestic science. The princely state of Baroda was one of the first states to introduce home science in the school in Maharani Girls High School. The subject remained in the school curriculum in several states. After one of the independence India in 1947, many changes were brought about in the curriculum. In the 60s and 70s, home science and related subjects were fused together at the school level. A stream was developed at the higher secondary level in Gujarat and some other states also. Gradually, home science became a popular subject in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and some southern states. But courses were not offered at the college level at that time. Hence, many institutions faced the problem of providing further opportunities for the students who completed home science at the secondary level. In 1932, home science was started at the college level as in Lady Edwin College at New Delhi, and our landmark, or you can most icon is our Amrita Pritam. She was graduated from this college. From 1938 onwards, Madras University offered home science at the degree level. Queen's Mary College and Women's Christian College at Madras started home science in 1942. After that only, the Agricultural Institute of the Allahabad also started the home science diploma course in 1935. In 1945, it turned into a university department, and this led the milestone of the acceptance of the home science in the agricultural university. So by 1950, Baroda became a significant nucleus of home science education. Since 1950, outstanding home science colleges were started at Coimbatore, Ludhiana, Bombay, New Delhi, Udaipur, and Tirupati. So in the mid 1960s and 70s, agricultural universities were established in most of the states. Teaching home science was recognized the most of the agricultural universities. There is a steady progress of home science education in India at the school and college level. In 1920, only few students enrolled, whereas now, 1980, many prestigious institutions in India offered BSc, MSc, PhD degree home science, and this is a continuous effort by all the universities. At present, thousands of postgraduates and PhD degree holders are in prominent position in the prestigious institution all over the country. Recently, Vice Chancellor of the Ramadevi University was a prominent um, home scientist, Dr. Aparajita Chowdhury. So in the year 2013, a milestone led home science degree program have been made as 3 plus 1 instead of 2 plus 2 with 1 year specialized course on various disciplines to promote the horizontal growth. Regarding the nomenclature also, it was recommended that BSc Home Science degree renamed as BSc Community Science and Technology. It was also decided to include more courses of basic sciences in existing curriculum as basic supporting courses to cater the needs of students for their higher studies and placement in various institutes and organizations. It was also recommended to compile the employment record of home science graduates for last 5 years to deal with the issues of the employability of the home science graduates. It was also agreed upon the linkages with other disciplines as well as sister institutes like UGC, PST, ICAR, etc., which should be established. There is need to have coordination and networking with the department like Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Women and Child Development for employment of home science graduates, and further strengthening the home science education. This has just recently happened in the year 2013. Still, we are struggling. These are the topmost institutes of the Home Science Institute in India. So it is now due to the changes in our lifestyle and the scenario has been changed, and there is a growing concern of the people regarding the nutrition and the health. So, home science has now been claimed to be one of the important subjects in the school and college curriculum because it offers the fundamental opportunity to develop their best for promoting society. And it is an interdisciplinary field of knowledge which draws upon many disciplines such as chemistry, physics, physiology, biology, hygiene, economics, rural development, child development, sociology, family relation, community living, art, food and nutrition, fabric and apparel designing, clothing, textile, human development, resource management and communication, as well as home management. So it aims at achieving and maintaining the welfare and well-being of the home, social, family life in an ever-changing society. And we have some misconception about the home science. That is, this education of this subject or this subject is meant for girls only, which is Generally, it is associated with the gender. This subject is only associated with the culinary and laundry, but now this is a unique subject or unique discipline with a blend of science and art, which does not limit itself to the home-related skills of cooking, laundry, decoration, and stitching, but it moves forward, and it is now out of the cell of misconception and open its door for the new avenues in all possible field of the life. So the title Home Science is considered to be more accurate to reflect the spirit of the course. As you will go through the subject, you will feel that subject is multidisciplinary because it encompasses various fields. Home science integrates the application of various sciences and humanities to improve human environment, family nutrition, management of resources, and child development. Above all, it maintains the good quality of life. The knowledge of the subject is very important, whether one's life in a village or a town, whether the person is a male or a female. It is hoped that this subject will answer some of the questions of the young people who have about their lives and perceived merely as a means of to clear their exam too. So these are the major areas which are also included in your courses. That is five main branches we have. One is your nutrition and dietetics, that is your paper one. Food science and quality control, again you have two units in your syllabus. Then human development, it is one, actually I think it is paper 1 section B, human development and family studies. Third one is your textile designing, which is included in your paper 2, and family and resource management, that is also in your paper. So these are the five areas, and these five areas, along with this thing, this has the another field, extension education, which has you have to take this knowledge and apply it at the doorstep of the people, or you are to extend your knowledge of this field to the people at the rural place. So that should have the already I have told you this thing. What are the job prospects? And for this thing, you have this personality trait, no doubt about this. All of the aspirants have. That is, you must be organized. You must have the communication skill. You must have the scientific and logical bent of mind, and a sense of aesthetic and creative thinking, and lastly, practical and realistic approach. So, this is your course. Already I have told you, food and nutrition. That is study of nutrients, utilization of food, therapeutic nutrition, food spoilage, and malnutrition. All these studies or all these I think this is the knowledge of your food only, which is a basic need. You have to know this thing, and whatever the causes, or you can say what are the causes of the public. Generally, people are suffering from this all of the problems. That is, your suppose I say malnutrition and food adulteration, and some of the cheating of the food while you are a consumer in the daily market. You are facing sort of the problem, that is spoilage of the food, adulterated food, and the malnutrition, some of the diseases every day in each family you are facing. And so, how to overcome this thing? So, the basic fundamental knowledge you should have. And being an administrator, what will be your role in the public? How to overcome these problems? Then second, it is the human development and family studies. This paper also encompasses, that is your from birth to till your life cycle, last life cycle.
ତା ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହେଲା ଗଲା।
You
ହେଲେ
do
ଯାହାହେଲେ
not
ମୋ ମା
have
ଯୋଉ
the,
ଆମର ଯତ୍ନ ନେବେ ଶାଶୁ ଶଶୁର ନେଇପାରିବେ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
from your birth to till the, I think you do not have geriatric problem here. Only the adolescent development you have, and this adolescent development is again divided into three parts. early, middle, and the late adulthood. And where the late adulthood is not here, you are not going to deal only the family life cycle problem. This family life cycle is only divided into three types: beginning, expanding, and the contracting cycle. And during this three cycles, what are the problems you are also going to face, and what are the generally the common people face in their daily life, and you may face this type of problems in your area being an administrator. So how will you solve this problem if your fundamental will be clear? Then paper two, which also known as family resource management. That is, what are the resources generally all of you know, it is divided into two types: human and non-human resources. And this chapter, it is the blending of the family resource management and clothing and textile also. So this is family time, energy, resources, as well as your non-human resources, space and money. And above all, you have a decoration and housing, space management and interior decoration. So this goes, and above that, textile fiber, fiber to fabric, and wardrobe planning. Basically, it takes care of the basic needs only. Then third, it is paper two, home science extension education. Babu Nandi, ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଧେ ନା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି? Excuse me. Sorry. So this is home science extension education. That is when you are cover these 5 courses in your paper 1, paper 2. That is food and nutrition, textile and clothing, and your family resource management. This knowledge you have to extend at the rural place, at the people's place. You have to extend this knowledge at the doorstep of the people. So how do you apply this? This is through your home science extension education. Here it covers what is the basic concept, philosophy, objective, and score, and then development, home science, how the home science extension education came into existence. Then program planning, how do you plan? Suppose you have a pandemic, like suppose during this COVID-19, and what is your role? How to take care of your the basic personal hygiene and sanitation? How do you plan the program for the public? Then communication and extension, which is the basic and bare necessity of all the administrators. They can reach through this skill. They can reach to the rich people and as well as the poor people. Then community development, and here we'll deal with all the programs from the 5th 5-year plan to till the 11th 12th 5-year plan. Then here another chapter also dealing with the teaching and learning in extension. Here you can say what are the learning methods. Teaching and learning in the extension education takes place because it is not bounded in your classroom only. It is just the open. So when you will reach to the people at the rural place or at their doorstep, how will you educate them? How will you reach them through this teaching and learning methods? So I can conclude it is the best optional because this present syllabus of your of OPSC is very precise and brief in structure and generic in nature, and you can prepare yourself and hit the target within a shorter duration by action and positive attitude. So first, T paper 1, 2 and section AB deals with the basic needs such as food, clothing, shelter, and the relationship with the family members and with the community of an individual. So all of us struggle with these 3 needs from the time of birth to the death to live more better and better. And also you have covered these courses during your school years as well as through the experiences. Only you need some systematic knowledge regarding this course to build your acumen. So this course will set the compatibility with you and becomes easier when you prepare for the examination with proper planning, organizing, with your both human and resources such as knowledge, skill, and attitude, as well as non-human resources that is study materials, coaching, hard work, etc. Above all presentation of your correct answers within your time limit and implementing it through the practice only in the examination. Now I do not want to hear with the emphasis on answer writing skill. During the coaching, we will focus on how to answer the question to secure the best mark. No compromise with securing the marks by correct answer. So this is all about my opinion. Besides that, within these 2 days after requesting, Deepak sir requested me, then I do one of the opinion pool where 22 aspirant students gave their opinion within the 2 days, where I compiled here. This is all the administrative services ultimately work for the upliftment of the people at the grassroots level. Home science dealing with the scientific study of daily life activities of the people in their household, surrounding the lights, different dimensions of the various homely principles, as well as the related problems to the students. After all, as all our life activities starts from the home, the basic unit of society, students appearing for civil service exam should know regarding the basics of normal livelihood in home environment before they become the administrative post holders. The practical knowledge of home science will help the civil service aspirant in many ways during the proposing and implementing any future policy for the betterment of the people at individual level in the home surroundings. It will ultimately lead to the upliftment of the community and society. Hence, I think home science or community science should be an optional subject in OS or any other administrative entrance exam so that aspiring students, the future policymakers, will be able to plan and implement any developmental program with more practical knowledge and with their efficiency. First one, some of the opinion only I just quoted as they have given here. One of the students, she wrote, the civil service involves continuous interference with the people. Community science is the best optional, which helps to deal with the people and the community in his job. We come across many subjects like management, human development, nutrition in this field, which are the basic necessities related to the development of the community. This option not only helps us to know the problem behind the less privileged section, but also gives the knowledge and skill-based training to find the various solutions. So this optional helps the aspirant to the of the civil servant service exam to know the roles and responsibility of a civil servant towards the community. The community science or home science should be an optional subject for the OS exam. Another students who gave her opinion like this, yes, it should be a good option for the exam because it is not a pure science, it is an applied science. It is a topic, its topic are related to the everyday life, not only limited in books, so it makes reading and learning easy not only on the basis of exam, but also it is the technology. It teaches us the basis of knowledge about living. It is all connected with our life. It may be about the food we eat, or the work simplification in our lifestyle, or the textile, or the child behavior. If we pick any topic from our subject, that will definitely connect with the daily life, or we can practically use the knowledge at its appropriate situation. It does not have a huge syllabus like other subjects, which makes more chance to qualify in the exam. Thank you.
Yeah, very
Ma'am, actually, you have covered almost all aspect of the subject, starting from the history when it is started to the whole syllabus. What is there in the home science? So I think
Yes.
all people have a clear idea regarding home science, and from my point of view, actually, it is very good subject for all the people, maybe you are from the technical background or non-technical background, you can easily handle this course, and ma'am is there to guide us with his huge experience and huge knowledge. You can gain a lot from this. I think no other platform you can get like this opportunity. So, and one more thing, if you see the OPSC trend, and if you see how many people are writing the paper home science, I think the maximum number of people are actually writing the in OPSC, that is civil service exam. So I think it is a better option for you. If you have any doubt, you can, the floor is open to all, and you can ask some of your doubt, like what are the query related to the subject, not the means your, if you are planning for home science, I think this is the best opportunity you can go for. So it is open for all. Now you can we can take some question regarding if you have some doubts. So almost I am very happy that almost we reached around 50 students are watching, and they are very much interested to join home science. I think in our platform this is the biggest demand subject in home science.
Thank
So
you, sir.
yeah, so if you have any, people have any query or any suggestion or any doubt, you can ask ma'am, or you can clarify here. Yeah, open to all.
Hi, ma'am. This is Lipsita here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. So I have a question like how the community management help in the like in the paper too. Like if you give some light in the
Yes, ma'am. Community development, I think.
community development. Yeah.
Yes, because community development, ma'am, this is the program by it started from our 5 years plans, first 5 year
Okay.
plan. The, these are the some of the programs which is taken up by the government and some of the by the NGOs. These programs are made for only to uplift the rural areas and rural people's lives. So, what is your role? Because knowing this community development program, suppose you have the village school cooperatives, Mahila Mandal, youth farmers, and its objective types of community development program. Suppose YRP program, and your now Mahila, that is Janani program. These are the programs actually, ICDS programs. Already I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
covered. I think if you are in the therapeutic nutrition class, I have taken some of the program which is covered under the ICDS, WHO, UNICEF, NIN, and the CFTRI program. These are all related to the community lives of the people. That is, these programs are meant for only the rural areas,
Okay,
rural
ma'am.
people
Got
of the
it.
rural areas. And this program is laid down by, or it is planned by our planning section of the your government. They plan every 5 years. They have planned for the upliftment of the rural area. All the Antyodaya, suppose these programs are Antyodaya Yojana program, then Jawaharlal Nehru Yojana program, then your so many programs are there. I am not Annapurna program. One of the program is now it is running, and your Kisan Vikas Patra saving programs are there by the government, and you have to know it very detailed. What's the objective of this program led by the government, and whether they reach or not, where is the lacuna, what is the strength and weakness, etc., etc. Once you go through this program, you also in future, how will you plan for your area once you are you got an appointment as an administrator in that particular area, whether these programs are this program only be activated by you only. I hope you will be
Yeah,
catching my
ma'am.
point. But
Yeah, yeah.
yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, anyone else, any doubt, you can ask ma'am. So that's what we are planning in a structure way. Ma'am will means help us to means guide us for the whole syllabus for OPSC, the optional subject. So I think so many people are already message us regarding to join this home science program, and ma'am will guide us, and it will be a really structured program, and you will
yes,
gain a lot from this subject. So if any means those who are not yet decided, so just decided, I think you can get the fully guidance from ma'am with his with her huge experience and knowledge. So it will be really, you will be in a age of in the OPSC preparation if you are taking this home science subject. So if you have any doubt, you can ask now. Anyone else?
So, excuse me, sir.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you will have a structured program, then we will have all the question answer of the 20 years relating to your. Not only it is limited to the question of the Odisha, even if Maharashtra have this PSC and Karnataka, I think I have the PSC of this OS. I think Karnataka PSC exam also has this subject.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
can also collect from that question. Also, we can answer all the. We will prepare them.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Definitely.
that will be really actually great. I think no one in Orissa actually. We are actually going to lot of institution we know, but like this preparation, I think covering each and every question and full syllabus, I think no one will give you with that much effort and also dedication and guidance. Yeah. Anyone have any doubt? You can ask.
मैडम नमस्कार मैडम मु राकेश कहूଥିଲି पुरीରୁ
Oh, sir, sir, I think you are pharmacist.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Yes, yes.
मैडम मोर गोटे डाउट माने से तो गोटे क्लास आपन जॉइन करथिली
Again.
रेकॉर्डिंग मैडम अवेलेबल धरନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ अवेलेबल होउनी क्लास अटेंड करि परुनी
राकेश गोटे कथा मैम जितेक भी क्लास हम सब गुड़ाक रेकर्डिंग कराब इफ एनीवन एक्चुअली मिस दैट क्लास दे कैन वॉच द रेकर्डिंग वीडियो सो दैट रेकर्डिंग वीडियो विल बी अवेलेबल माने एनी टाइम तो जदि किए हमर सपोज हमर जॉब करूछन सपोज मैडम इवनिंग रे कले यू आर बिजी विथ सम अदर वर्क वी विल हैव द रेकर्डिंग यू कैन रेफर दैट रेकर्डिंग ओके विल
हां सर मु भी मु आपन सर मेसेज करथिली व्हाट्सएप रे पचारथिली भी
हाँ 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 कहीं
अवेलेबल
मैम कर जो क्लास गुड़ा हम विल डू माने रेकर्डिंग करवा सो दैट कि जदि किए पर हमर जदि से कांसेप्ट को रिवीजन करिया को चाहउछंती दे कैन वॉच द वीडियो ओके तो जेते समय तमे चाहिबो सपोज कांसेप्ट मैडम कोन पढैतले तो सेटा को तमे थरे थरे देखितले यू कैन क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक तमे बुझी
हां सर से भलो माने धर न बुझिले भी सेकंड टाइम देखि जानि
या डेफिनेटली विल डू दैट ओके नो प्रॉब्लम
I only deal with that 12th standard teacher I am. So I will teach to that level only because you are the high aspirant. I'm the low aspirant. So I will teach to that level. I think I will clear your fundamentals.
yeah definitely ma'am yeah
मैम एक्चुअली आपनको लाइक स्क्रीन टा टिके स्टॉप करिवे सो दैट लाइक विजिबिलिटी टिके अधिक रहइबो
Okay,
स्टूडेंट
okay. Stop sharing, na?
यस मैम
Oh,
या थैंक यू मैम यस
Ma'am, my question is during this course of preparation, whatever the lectures and the PDF we'll get, whether that will be sufficient for OPSC point of view?
yes, yes. I will prepare your question answer. Whatever the course I will teach, I think I have taken minimum 20 classes of the paper one, food and nutrition.
Okay.
That question answers is only up to the marks only, 60 marks or 40 marks, 20 marks like this. I divided and it is through total. If you will just put that matter in not cell, you will get the marks. That I am sure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ओके देवी सो एनीवन एल्स कार डाउट जदि अच्छी क्लियर करनी हो ओके आई थिंक यू विल गेट सफिशिएंट आई थिंक गोटे प्रॉपर गाइडेंस और प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर वे तुम जापर यही जो फास्ट रू आम स्टार्ट करुचे ऑलरेडी आई थिंक आमर मेन एवं 7 तारिख स्टार्ट होची नेक्स्ट ईयर मे बी नोटिफिकेशन आसला जो आमर 5 to 6 मंथ अच्छी प्रिलिम यू कैन कंप्लीट दैट आई थिंक टोटल पेपर आमे माने 90% आमे कवर कर देबो सो दैट यू विल बी इन ए कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन रहइबो कि वंस मु प्रिलिम क्लियर कले एंड डेफिनेटली आम कौन हो जदि प्रिपेयर कर मो मत 100% डेडिकेटली देकी प्रिपेयर कर इट्स माने सिविल सर्विस मु बहुत थर कही इट इज नॉट ए जॉब इट इज ए रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी माने जदि दौच 100% दियो भल से प्रिपेयर करो 1 year प्रिपेयर करो ओके and you will be throughout life you will be enjoy we already जदि तमें कहबो प्राइवेट सेक्टर रे we are already doing the job जदि जने जेते भी हमर मनी पाई जेते भी हमर माने तमे ऊपरू गले भी you will not get that satisfaction that is in civil service तमरो decision can change the life of the people in the ground level सो माने से भाया जदि प्रिपेयर कर जोर से लगिक प्रिपेयर कर प्रिलिम कथा छाड़ी दियो प्रिलिम इज आवर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि डेफिनेटली केमती प्रिलिम रे क्वालिफाई हबो will definitely make that sure but for optional which is the main actually OPSC रे दीटा मु सब बेले कहे कि लैंग्वेज पेपर ओडिया इंग्लिश आउ ऑप्शनल दोज हु आर माने ऑप्शनल जदि 800 मार्क नहीं आसिलो यू आर इन लेखिक नहीं जाओ कि यू आर डेफिनेटली इन OPSC रे इन जदि 800 मार्क नहीं आसिलो एंड डेफिनेटली तमे देखुथबो जे मार्क हमर होम साइंस रे पिला 200 300 रु 260 70 नहीं के आछंती even if tama dekhiba puni those who are engineer students maximum engineering student they are bringing without any knowledge if you put jodi understanding achi subject re and you will little bit effort daba thala definitely you will score good mark and you will be in mane definitely gote group 1 ro job tame secure kari paribo for that only actually ame karan arthar bi ame bahut pila ithra jo 102 जन पिला परीक्षा दउछंती तो से भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल नाला कि गोटे प्रॉपर प्लेटफॉर्म रे केमिति गाइडेंस हम थ्रू आउट ईयर रु आम आरंभ रू तो ए वर्ष आम सेटा प्लान करुचे सो दैट कि तुम एफर्टा जमीती कि वेस्ट न जाऊ कारण यहाँ हूँ गोटे लॉन्ग प्रोसेस तुमको 1.5 ईयर तुमको वेट करिया पड़ू सिविल सर्विस तुम प्रिलिम दब पुणी मेन दब इंटरव्यू 1.5 ईयर जदि दौच जदि टाइम आम वेस्ट करवा इट शुड बी फ्रुटफुल तो सहीटा आमर एम रहा कथा एंड मु चाहूँगी जे एटलिस्ट जो मैंने माने एफर्ट दौच कौन भी तुम सब्जेक्ट नौच गिव योर 100% तो सहीटा आमर मोटो रहा कथा एंड आमे जो डिसाइड करथिले कि होम साइंस आमे जो स्टार्ट करूचे मैम को गाइडेंस रे एंड आल्सो ऑलरेडी आमर सोशियोलॉजी भी आमे स्टार्ट करूचे सो a lot of people actually already approach ame google form create करिथिले already 32 students they are so interested that we are ready to join our home science okay so you can tell all of your friends who are outside also if they are also interested they can also join ma'am and take the benefit of guidance of ma'am yeah anyone have any question yes Kajal
Ma'am, namaskar.
Namaskar.
Ma'am, somehow we are writing answer, but we are unable to get the feedback. Will you give us feedback and check our answer?
Yes, I will definitely I will give the feedback because it is my duty now. Because in your program planning also, without feedback, answer is not correct. You have to know your pros and cons. You have to know your strength and weakness. Once you approach your question, how do you present yourself for the 20 marks or the 40 mark answer or the 60 mark answer? How are you answering that question? Because we are in your course also in Western education, we have that teaching and learning, we have a curriculum development, how to evaluate the paper. We have the in course, but it is not in your course because it is you are not going to apply in your field. But in our course, we have curriculum development, how to prepare the question paper and how to evaluate the paper.
Yes, ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, mostly in 60 marks we have to write 6 to 7 papers. So in that how we'll prepare, if you will guide us, then it will be really helpful, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. While preparing the question paper, suppose you are preparing one question, the example I am taking.
Yeah, ma'am.
That is one of the question is define the term basal metabolism and discuss various factors affecting it. Explain the method of measuring BMR and total energy requirement and factors affecting requirement. Okay, this is 20 mark.
Yes, ma'am.
And another 20 mark is describe the process of digestion and absorption of protein. Then another 20 mark is your defined food adulteration, describe the food standards and food laws applicable in our country, and discuss the importance of fruits and vegetables in human diet. These are the 20, 20, 40, 60 and 80 marks. Okay. So you have to divide fast. Suppose first 20 mark is on your basal metabolism. First you have to divide your content. Okay. Content in such a manner that you should write your answer though you know everything, because it is a life science, or you can say this is a life skill, because anyone can write the answer. But here the difference is once you have taken the home science, and knowingly you can't write इधर उधर का आने की लिखी परिवेनी अपन
Yes, ma'am.
point
With
and
proper format and structure, yeah.
content should be you should analyze your content. What is the question exactly asked, and you have to write that exactly. Not necessarily
Yes.
you should go further money history or anything. You have
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
write what PMR. I'm going to
Ma'am,
basal
we have to write point wise or paragraph wise.
was it will be better, and my slides will be on points only that will cover
Okay, ma'am.
brief in detail. You have to answer your questions brief भी ହେଇଥିବ
Yes,
ଆଉ
ma'am.
detail. That is the best answer we think as the examiner. We take it as the very concise and precise as well as your correct.
Okay, ma'am. With diagram.
Yes, diagram. In the 60 or 80 minimum, you have to give 2 to 3 diagrams. Suppose protein metabolism and digestion of the protein and absorption of the protein. Here you can give the diagram. And in the basal motor metabolism also you can also give the diagram. And
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is there any book you have to refer?
yes, yes, so many books are there. I will what will I suggest? One of the books for the fundamentals book, that is the National Institute of Open School.
Okay.
National Open School books are there in the website, that is 321, I think, serial number. Another standard book is some of the books are there, ma'am, for different books for different part of the book. Suppose Sri Lakshmi for the therapeutic nutrition, Karin H. Robinson, then your book for textile, Sushila Jantagi, and one of the your Agya publication.
Ma'am, can you share the book list also with us
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
to
definitely
refer
I will.
further? Okay,
I will.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyone else?
मैडम होम सेंटर टोटली केते मंथ रे सरीबो माने कोर्स रो कवर के हबो केबे केते दिन भितरे
Madam, sir, like you also, I am novice. Just only 1 month we cover 20 paper one. I think one, and suppose it is a just approximately we are calculating. If you are taking 1.5 months for paper one, then another will be if you are taking the class regularly. Okay,
ओके मैडम
2 to 3 months, I think we can cover everything.
मैडम रेगुलरली अपन क्लास टा को टाइम रे इवनिंग और मॉर्निंग को
Sir, evening, because I am totally busy in my college. That is from 8:32 till 5 o'clock. Just I am coming from admission only.
ओके मैडम
गुड मॉर्निंग सर क्लास के बेटर सर स्टार्ट है वो
Actually that we'll coordinate with ma'am. Actually we have planning actually ma'am करबे main पिला मानकर जो class चलीछि, maybe once that is हमर 7 तारिख भितरे सेमानकर class सरी गला पर we'll plan for maybe December 10 किबा near to that, maybe 12-13 हमें से विला try करिया काहे कि ma'am already now running माने teaching some students for men, so we'll coordinate with ma'am. Okay, मु coordinate करके ma'am को संगे definitely जणेबी कि हमरो केबे possible हेई परिबो आमे start करिबा, कारण lot of request already they have so many people requested तो जल्दी start करिया पई, किंतु हमें definitely ma'am को और opinion नहीं कि हमें start करिबो.
आज्ञा सर सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल सर के बेटर स्टार्ट है वो
Definitely हमारा first week of December रु हवा आलोक के सोशियोलॉजी
आज्ञा
मैम करो हमें ट्राई करिबा कि 10 पर ट्राई करिबा, कारण मैम ऑलरेडी बिजी विथ समथिंग एल्स.
आज्ञा सर थैंक यू
सर काइंडली सर सब क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग कर रखिबी सर स्पेशली मो सर मु कहूची मु अटेंड मु मैडम गोटी क्लास ही अटेंड करथिला आ क्लास अटेंड करि परनी.
डेफिनेटली हमें सेटा हेल्प करिबो, काहे ना केवल हमें पिला माने जो माने अटेंड करना कि हम रिवीजन पे हमें डेफिनेटली रखिबो, सो दैट कि तमे जतेबेले चाहिबो तमे रेफर करि परिबो.
ओके सर
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. This is Punya Smaran. So, ma'am, like you told that we should not get the contents from here and there, and looking at the demand of the question, we should answer.
Yes.
So, like while going through, some of the contents, the questions which are actually very abstract, like for example, what are the qualities of an extension worker?
Yes.
So in this case, when we refer contents or standard books, we see that different books are having different, kind of mentions or descriptions. So in that case, one question come to our mind that like when the examiner will look at the answer, so what kind of expectations he will be having, because
Sir,
there will be
first of
different
all,
answers to that question.
yes, yes. Sir, that is the standard book for the extension education is Dahama and Bhatnagar. This is the
Okay.
first extension education. You have to go through that book, and the Indira Bishnoi is Bhatnagar and Bishnoi, and one is Dahama, another one is Dahama and Bhatnagar, extension and communication development. And I have also written one book on extension education, but it will be very costly because it is an international publication. So it will be difficult. But I will give all the ready materials to answer.
Okay.
Yeah, that is one
It will
good
be
point actually, ma'am. Already author more than means 4-5 books. So that is, yeah, ma'am, 7 books I think.
7 books, 7 books.
Yeah, 7 books in home science. I think you will not get such type of experience, and also you can directly like you can get, I think, best knowledge from here.
That is really helpful, ma'am. Thank you.
I will definitely help you in answering the question and all the subject relevant answers. I will talk to with my guide also if I will fail somewhere, and any other home scientist also I can reach there, and I can take to you also if you are further doubt.
Ma'am, we are blessed to have you as a renowned professor, ma'am. Seriously, we are grateful.
Thank you all, but I will try to my best now to help you. It is my priority to get you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, is everything should be prepared? Everything should be give us in PDF format after the completion of a class.
Okay.
Every notes.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, PDF format.
Thank you, thank you. Because ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହବ ନା କନସାଇଜ୍ ମ୍ୟାନର ହବ ଯାହାକି ଆମକୁ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହବ ଟିକେ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ ମନେକର ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ସରିଗଲା.
Sir, I will not go in bookish manner. Whatever
Yeah.
your question are related to your syllabus only, I will teach
Yes,
you
ma'am.
accordingly. Very so that when you go through this thing, you will remember as it is.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଜାଣିବାର ଥିଲା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆମର ପେପର 1 ର ପାର୍ଟ B ପୋର୍ସନ ଗୁଡାକ ଅଛି ଯୋଉ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ ଅଛି
Yes, yes.
ସେଇ ପୋର୍ସନ ଗୁଡାକ ଆମେ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ବୁକ୍ ରୁ ଫଲୋ କରିପାରିବା କି ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ରେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ତା ସହିତ ସିମିଲାରିଟି ରହୁଛି.
Psychology by E.B. Harner, 4th edition. Here, another one is Burton. Another one
S.K. Mangal ଗୋଟେ
K.C. Panda.
Ma'am, S.K. Mangal is a book. Is it recommended for UPSC for good content? S.K. Mangal psychology.
S.K. Mangal, yes, yes, yes. But I am not going to refer that one. I just go through this E.B. Harlock. It is our handbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Child psychology. It is our handbook. We just regards like that. This is
Thank
our
you, ma'am.
child psychology Bible.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, Premlata Malik book.
Yes, that book is very fundamental, sir. I have also that book, but I think this is very fundamental book, and whether it is updated now, I didn't know. But during our time, it was very fundamental. You can clear your fundamentals, but for your exam,
You are correct, ma'am.
yes.
Yeah, it's not sufficient for
Yes,
the
ma'am,
exam.
that is very fundamental, not sufficient. Very limited points are there. I have gone through that book.
Ma'am,
Very basic book.
one and paper 2 books.
All things are not covered in that, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, because we follow the CBCS syllabus, okay? That's why when we write the book, according to the syllabus only we write. So that book is only for the 12th standard and first year, just a novice student. They
Yeah,
can
ma'am.
read that. Yes.
Yes.
Sir, another book, two books I have in by Kalyani publisher. First two unit of the paper one, that is study of food, study of nutrients, will be covered, and in the paper section B, first three chapters you will get that book in paper one, food and nutrition and human development. Then in the second book, that is textile and clothing, first two chapters and management of resources you will also get, and communication. That one, two chapters you will get there. Extension education, home science extension education, and communication in extension education.
सो मैम एक्चुअली आपण जहाँ हमर सिलेबस रे जहाँ अछि आपण लाइक जहाँ रिसोर्स फॉलो करूचंती सेटा को पीडीएफ रे आपण जा पढेबे स्टूडेंट्स को पाखरे पहुंच पारिबो सो लाइक स्टूडेंट माने जो मल्टीपल
You don't have to purchase the book. If I will be included in your academy, or if I will teach you through your academy, I don't think you have to go for the materials here and there.
करेक्ट मैम यस
Yes.
so that ma'am actually upon detect bhi karibe jodi class also that will be a good also like students
Yes,
can
yes. I will give all the materials to you because
Correct.
it is available with me and it will be updated also.
yes that will be like very like great benefit for every aspirant
Yes.
And Chiranjit is the author of 7 books. That is also a very good point.
yes actually students जो सेमानकर जो हार्ड वर्क मल्टीपल बुक्स रु हमें जो रेफर
You
करिया
will
बदल
not go here and there to search. You will get the material at your own place only.
yes that is a very good initiative ma'am it's a really a great help to aspirant thank you ma'am yes
Actually, it is taking so many time for preparing notes, actually for especially home science, because there is no such type of a content available. Availability of a content is minimum.
Yes.
Also, pictorial representation of the content is not available.
Yes.
That means it is very time expensive. Expensive बहुत समय व्यर्थ गए हमें दबा पे पड़ती है सेटा भी गोटे
Because we'll spend a lot also. Now
माने
I say
इंटरनेट रे सर्च कला बेले भी बहुत समय लागुची गोटे कंटेंट को आपण प्रिसाइज वे रे लिखिबा पे भी सेटी सफिशिएंट कंटेंट भी मिले नै
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ମେନ୍ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେଲି ଦୋ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଦ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଦୋ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଦ ମେଟେରିଆଲ still I took 7 to 8 hours to prepare your slide. Then one day I got frustrated and I told Suvendu that I will not able to take the class because I have to put 7 to 8 hours for you.
Really, ma'am, this is really, just preparing slide itself is a really big task.
Yes, sir.
If you give the knowledge itself and source and this thing, I think it will be like really helpful for us.
I will definitely, of course, I will help you.
Yeah.
Because I have the material and I have to share. Only we need to be very our planning should be very well.
yes ma'am suppose like slide making if you are taking like too much time so that you can detect in the class also so that will be also quite good people like write it out and they can say it among themselves so inti nai je apan ko upare heavy burden padibo gote gote pe 8 घंटा spend kariye slides पे
No,
so
this is it will be my pleasure because I can teach you like by unpreparing, na?
Yes.
So I am enjoying. Still, due to the crunch of the time, I am saying that thing.
it's yes
Time is very.
Yes, ma'am. So
We have to fill the
Ma'am,
HOD. Yes, ma'am.
मैम दिस इज शुभस्मिता मैम जो फर्स्ट यूनिट रो जो चैप्टर सब अछि दैट इज कोरिलेटेड टू बायोलॉजिकल साइंस तो सही पॉइंट्स को
You will get from zoology books, I think, zoology and.
हाँ मैम आई एम zoology faculty in plus 2 college
Yes, yes.
तो मैम से पॉइंट्स को हम एटी कोरिलेट कर परिबा कि जहाँ भी जो डाइजेस्टर
Yes,
एटसेट्रा
suppose you will write about the what is the structure of the protein, you can write, but application side is not in your book. Application side is in our book. Clear?
yes ma'am
Suppose sources of protein
yes
and what is the requirement of your protein
yes
and
ma'am
deficiency of the protein. What will you write? Your geology is suppose protein structure, protein biochemistry. I think in your biochemistry also, biotechnology also you are studying. But what
yes
is
ma'am.
the deficiency of the protein in your daily life? How will you answer? Suppose Kwashiorkor, marasmus, then marasmus Kwashiorkor. These are the diseases you are going to suffer from this protein deficiency. And
Okay, ma'am.
what are the sources and what will be your recommendation to include your protein in your diet, daily diet? That is recommended by Indian Council of Medical Research, and this research has been done. This committee will also sit every 10 years to refine this requirement also. And this institution is run by through the National Institution of Nutrition.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have to some basic ideas from the geology, that
Yes, ma'am.
fundamentals from the geology, and applied at your daily life. Actually, this science.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So anyone have any
It
questions?
will be easier for you, no doubt about it. It will be easier for you because you are acquainted with this term.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Paper 2 is problematic for me. Paper 1 is I am acquainted with that syllabus.
Yes. Paper 2, human, that is family resource
Human
management.
development,
And
extension
yes, yes.
education, that is new for me.
Oh, that is totally psychology, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And it will be easier, ma'am, because you have gone through these phases of your life from birth to, and you can also observe through your family how the child takes birth and how his development takes place, or what is his physical development, motor development. Only the term only you are going to know, the technical term. Otherwise, you are all have the experience of this
Okay,
in your
ma'am.
life.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be easier for you.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Only
So
systematic knowledge you have to build up.
yes.
You
So
have this knowledge, only you have to systematically arrange in your mind only.
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for this session. Actually, हमें वेट करिथिलु कि हमें को डायरेक्शन रे जीवु होम साइंस एज ए ऑप्शनल इट विल बी बेटर हबो कि नहीं हमको प्रॉपर गाइडेंस मिलियो कि नहीं नाउ वी आर क्लियर दैट डेफिनेटली lot of people I think will definitely join home science as a optional, and it will be like they will blessed to have you as a guide to help them to sail through this OCS exam. And really we'll very soon actually starting the course, and we'll let you know all the students once we'll discuss with ma'am when ma'am will free. We'll start the course as soon as possible. So thanks a lot, guys, and thank you so much, ma'am, to have you here, and thank you all. So for your we did not expect more than 50 students join today and take the insight from ma'am. So definitely I think it will be going to be a big learning phase in future. Thank you everyone, and have a great day to all. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sorry,
Yes.
Thank you, Deepak sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
It's a
ma'am.
really nice platform
Yes, ma'am.
to have you
Thank
all.
you, sir and ma'am, for their great effort.
To modify myself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Just a minute.
That is
Just
my lacuna also. I want to also know.
yes,
I
yes.
will also
Just
modify my feedback, where I can change and what to change.
Please allow my ma'am to say something.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am. Actually, some noise came, so we are not able to hear you. Can you please come again, ma'am?
Actually, sir, I want to know my feedback.
Yeah.
Where is my lacuna and in which way I can change that? I will modify myself also to reach to you very.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll create a feedback from this session, and if any doubt, so we'll share that
Yes, yes.
form with you, so that according to that we can plan, ma'am.
Yes, I can prepare myself.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, and have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you. It's
Yeah,
my
good night.
pleasure.
Yeah,
Thank you,
good night.
ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Good night.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.